Good morning, everybody. So today we are going to do a free course complete that tell you how to type the letter A. It is much easier than other courses because sometimes they're very confusing, so we just focus on one letter. Okay, so step one. Yeah, that's step one. You find your keyboard. Step two. Find the letter A. Step three. Push the letter A. Congratulations! You have just successfully completed this course. A plus. Also, just so you know, we will learn about the plus sign in a future course. But yes, and also I had time to grow a mustache while I was waiting for you to learn. But anyways, okay, bye bye. Have a good day.